Matrices Lecture 3.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. If phi a is equals to 3 minus 4 4x and a into a transpose is equals to a transpose into a is equals to x, then you want to find x value. So, see the first solution. Given phi a is equal to 3 minus 4 4x. Okay. Now a is equals to what? 1 by 5 times of 3 minus 4 4. Here a into a transpose into a is I. So here consider a into a transpose is equals to what? I. Here a is 1 by 5 into 3 minus 4 4x. Again a transpose. So write as 1 by 5 into, so transpose of this. Write rows as columns, columns as rows. That is 3, 4 minus 4x is equals to identity matrix. So now this is 1 by 5 into 1 by 5, 1 by 25, and multiplying these two matrices. So what you get? 3 into 3, 9 plus 16. Next one, first row, second column, that is 12 minus 4x. Okay. Next one, 4 into 3, 12 minus 4x. So next 16 plus x square is equals to identity matrix is what? 1 0 0 1. So now equate the corresponding elements. See, here equating the first row second element, that is 12 minus 4x by 25 is equals to 0. So from this 12 is equal to 4x. So what is x value? 3. So clearly option 1. So next see the second solution. Matrix A is given, then find the values of A and B such that A square plus AA plus BI is 0. See here A is equals to 3 2 1 1. So find A square. What is A square? 3 2 1 1 into 3 2 1 1. Now this is 9 plus 2, 11. That is 6 plus 2, 8. Next to 3 plus 1, 4. Next to 2 plus 1. This is what? A square. Now consider A square plus AA plus BI is equals to 0. So what is A square value? 11 8 4 3 plus A into matrix A, that is 3A 2A A plus B into identity matrix, that is B 0 0 B is equals to what? 0, that is null matrix 0 0 0. Now clearly they are the corresponding elements and equate to 0. So see here, that is 11 plus 3A plus B is equals to 0. Next one, 8 plus 2A is equals to 0. So clearly A is equals to minus 4. So substitute A value in above equation, what you get? 11 minus 12 plus B is equals to 0. So B value is 1. Therefore A is minus 4 and B is 1. So clearly option 3. So see the next one. A is given, then the value of A plus A square plus and so on A power n is what? So here find A square. So what you get? 0 0 1 1 into 0 0 1 1. So clearly this is 0 0. Next 1. This is what? A square. and a cube, that is a square into a, that is what 0 0 1 1 into again 0 0 1 1. Therefore clearly again you will get a matrix. Therefore and so on, a power n is also a. So therefore a plus a square plus a cube plus and so on a power n. So this is what a plus what is a square value, a plus a and so on plus n times a. So clearly this is equal to what, na. So clearly option 2. Next is the fourth question. The number of 2 by 2 matrices that can be formed by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. See here given digits 1, 2, 3. So using these digits we can form the 2 by 2 matrices. Here when the repetition are allowed. See here, for example, matrix A, this is what 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Now using these 4 digits we can form 2 by 2 matrices. Here repetition are allowed. So clearly number of places are 4 and number of digits are 4. See here, for first place we can use either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So clearly number of possibilities in first place is 4. So that is either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Again first row second place. So here also how many possibilities? 4 possibilities, because of repetition is allowed. Here use either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So here also 4 possibilities and here also 4 possibilities. So here also 4 possibilities. So clearly this is 256. So clearly 256 matrices are possible using these 4 digits. So clearly option 4. So see the next one. A square matrix A is said to be nilpotent. So here nilpotent means, for example, A is any square matrix, then there exists some m belongs to n and a power m is equals to 0. So then only A is said to be nilpotent of index m. So that is the definition of nilpotent. See here given of index m, a power m is 0. If for this a, I minus a whole power n is what? I plus a square and so on a power m minus 1. Then you want to find n value. So see here given a power m is 0. Here a is nilpotent and I minus a whole to the power of n is what? I plus a square and so on a to the power of m minus 1. So here consider this term as b. Therefore b is equals to what? I minus a whole to the power of n. So multiplying I minus a on both sides, that is I minus a is equals to I minus a whole to the power of n. Here multiplying I minus a on both sides, so what you get? I minus a into I minus a whole to the power of n is equals to what? I minus a into I plus a square and so on a to the power of m minus 1. So clearly this is what? I minus a whole to the power of n plus 1 is equals to what? Multiplying this, what you get? I into I, again you will get I into a only, and similarly a square and so on e to the power of m minus 1 and minus a into I, you get a minus a into a, a square minus a cube and so on minus a to the power of n minus 1. Next a into a to the power of n minus 1. That is minus a to the power of n. Okay. Now here a square a to the power of n minus 1. All terms should be cancelled. Now I minus a whole to the power of n plus 1 is equals to what? I minus a to the power of n. Okay. Now here a to the power of m is what? 0. So here I minus a into, this can be written as I minus a whole to the power of n is equals to what? I. So similarly multiply I minus a right side, then it becomes I minus a whole to the power of n into I minus a. So in that case also you will get it. So clearly in the form of AB is equals to BA is equals to I. So clearly by definition of inverse, A is invertible and B is equal to A inverse. Therefore clearly from this I minus a whole to the power of n is equals to what? I minus a whole to the power of minus 1. Therefore what is n value? Minus 1. So clearly option 4. So see here next one, that AB is set of all 3 by 3 skew symmetric matrices. So here skew symmetric means if A is any square matrix, then A transpose is equals to minus A. So then only A is said to be skew symmetric. And also in skew symmetric matrix, the diagonal elements are always 0. Next one, whose entries are given, that are whose elements are minus 1, 0, 1. If there are exactly 3 zeros and 3 ones. So in skew symmetric matrix, you have exactly 3 zeros and exactly 3 ones. Then the number of such matrices are, see here, given elements minus 1, 0 and 1, and AB skew symmetric matrix. A is skew symmetric. So means A transpose is equals to minus A. So here A is equals to, this is what skew symmetric. In skew symmetric, the diagonal elements are always 0. And also given this matrix containing exactly 3 zeros. 3 zeros, 3 ones. Okay. So these zeros are fixed. So clearly remaining how many places? 6 places are there and 2 elements are there, that are minus 1 and 1. In this matrix we have to use exactly 3 ones. So either these 3 places or these 3 places. And minus 1. See here, for example, if you write here 1 and here write minus 1. For example, here write minus 1, here write 1. So clearly each place is having 2 possibilities. Here 2 possibilities, 2 possibilities, 2 possibilities. Therefore number of possibilities are 2 into 2 into 2. So total 8 possibilities are there, that are 8 matrices are possible. Therefore the number of matrices are 2 into 2 into 2. So total 8 matrices are possible. Therefore clearly option 3. So see the next question. Matrix A is given and A cube plus A is equals to 0. Then which option is correct? See here, A is equal to 0x y 0 and A cube plus A is equals to 0. See here, this can be written as A times of A square plus this K can be written as A into I is equals to 0. So here either A is equals to 0 or A square plus I is equals to 0. So what is matrix A? 0 x y 0 is equals to 0. 0 is what? Null matrix. So clearly x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. And a product is what? 0. So xy is equals to 0. Therefore clearly first option. Or using a square plus I. So a square plus I is equals to 0. So what is a square? That is 0x y0 into 0x y0 plus identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1 is equals to 0 0 0. Now multiplying these two, what you get? xy 0, next one 0 xy plus 1 0 0 1 is equals to 0 0 0. Now add the corresponding elements and equate to 0. That is xy plus 1 is equals to 0. Xy value is minus. So either xy is equals to 0 or xy is equals to minus 1. So clearly first option. So see the X solution. AB is given and product of AB is null matrix, then find alpha minus beta. Here AB is equals to product of these two. So that is cos square alpha, cos alpha sin alpha, cos alpha sin alpha, sin square alpha into cos square beta, cos beta sin beta. Next here cos beta sin beta, sin square beta is equals to what? Null matrix, that is 0 0 0 0. Now multiplying these two, what you get? Cos square alpha, cos square beta plus cos alpha sin alpha, cos beta sin beta. So cos alpha sin alpha, cos beta sin beta. Next one, first row second column, that is cos square alpha, cos beta sin beta plus sin square beta, cos alpha sin alpha. Next is second row first column, that is cos alpha sin alpha, cos square beta plus sin square alpha cos beta sin. Next one, second row second column, that is cos alpha sin alpha, cos beta sin beta plus sin square alpha sin square beta is equals to 0. Now clear, in both terms cos alpha cos beta is common. So what you get? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So that is cos of A minus B. So cos of alpha minus B. And similarly this one, this one, this one. So now need to find these three and equate to 0. So equating the corresponding elements, so what you get? This is equals to 0. So clearly what is the cos of alpha minus beta is equals to 0. So cos theta is equals to 0. So how to write? Alpha minus beta is equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So clearly this is what? Alpha minus beta is odd multiple of pi by 2. So option 3. So next see the ninth solution. The maximum number of different non-zero entries in a skew symmetric matrix of order n is what? See here, for example, n is equals to 2. So means order is 2 by 2. So for example, take any skew symmetric matrix of order 2. Here in skew symmetric matrix, the diagonal elements are always 0. And here, for example, here 2 is there, here -2. Now clearly A transpose is what? Minus A. And here number of non-zero elements are how many? 2. So here number of non-zero entries is equals to 2. For example, consider any 3 by 3 order matrix, means n is equals to 3. So here for example A is equals to here 0 0 0, here 1 2 3, here right -1 -2 -1. So clearly this is skew symmetric matrix. Here number of non-zero entries, number of non-zero entries is equals to 6. So here if you substitute n is equals to 2 in given option, if you substitute n is equals to 2 in option 4, here 2 square minus 2, this is what? 2 only. So here this can be written as 3 square minus 3, 9 minus 3 6. For example, if order is n, then how to write? N square minus n. Therefore clearly option 4 is correct. And see the 10th solution. Here number of 2 by 2 matrices that can be formed using the digits 1 2 3 4. Repetition not allowed, means without repetition. Here let A is equals to Aij. This is any 2 by 2 matrix. Here given digits are what? 1 2 3 4. So using these 4 digits we can form the 2 by 2 order matrices. Here A is equals to, here how many rows? 2 rows and 2 columns. And given digits are, given digits 1 2 3 4. So clearly you have to use these 4 digits. You can form the 2 by 2 order matrix. See here, in first place how many chances? 4 chances. So either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So clearly in first place we have 4 chances. So out of 4, 1 is filled. For example, here in first place element is 2. And the remaining elements are what? 1 3 4. So number of elements are 3. And here number of possibilities in second place, that is first row second place. So clearly 3 possibilities. See here first place is 4 possibilities. For example, in first place it has the number 2 and remaining elements are 1 3 4. Using 1 3 4 we can fill second place. So clearly here total number of chances in second place is 3. So write into 3. For example, it is filled with some 1. And what are the remaining elements? 2 and 4. So number of elements are 2 and chances of this place also 2. So write into 2. And last one is only 1 chance. So write into 1. So clearly number of 2 by 2 matrices is equals to how much? 4 into 3 into 2. That is 24. So here 24 2 by 2 matrices are possible. Okay. So for next session we will discuss more concept and problems.